the sight of it in these two.
Oh, that is such a sexy plane.
He's going to turn right round. He's gone to J3, J2 to J1. You lucky girl.
I love 747s, they are my
It's
fave.
going to be noisy. And how old the turbines are. I've got my hat.
To get two coming out as well. Oh, smell that.
Kerosene.
Cathay Pacific is such. Oh, it's cargo.
Yeah. Big hydraulics inside it, just turn the angle of blades. Yeah, they're very big.
Oh, I can't wait to hear this.
Modest thing.
We've-
Cargo's great when you fly outside the envelope. There's an envelope passenger comfort. You don't do certain things that you make them move on. Those, they can throw it around, and
Yeah.
they do. We've seen cargoes landing in Germany.
Out of Biberach.
Turn it on a spot 1 mile beyond the Thames line, bring it back to whack.
They probably have fun, don't they?
Oh, they love it. Yeah, they love it.
Did you see it?
No. I'm normally going. Yes, I can now. Yes. They're all fit.
We went to Heathrow once to a plane spot,
That's
didn't we?
777 that we took out to Lima.
Hello, babe, come to me. I love.
Engines turn or passenger swing. Extended transit.
Do you see the winglets?
It's as close as it gets. You see how close that winglet is to you. Really close.
See how close to the fence it is?
Sometimes they wave. Pilots, sometimes. Look at that winglet.
This is a British designed 747.
They designed the manuals on those using FrameMaker. All using FrameMaker.
We beat the Americans when it came to the jets. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, fuck me. Woo! Oh, that is just gorgeous. We're very lucky to have that two come out, because sometimes you wait here all day and nothing comes out.
Well, there you go.
That is amazing.
That's off.
British engineering at its best.
For a reason these showers. It's great. All we know is the